In order to maximize your DEEBOT OZMO 930's lifespan and ensure its best possible performance, please follow these suggestions. After every use, please clean the dustbin. Pull the dustbin out of the robot and empty the dustbin. Remove the high-efficiency filter and gently clean it once per week. Rinse the dustbin and sponge filter under running water. Dry the dustbin and sponge filter before reinstalling. After every use, please clean the reservoir and cleaning cloth. Pull out the reservoir and remove the cleaning cloth. Wash the cleaning cloth under running water and empty the reservoir. Wipe the cleaning cloth plate and reservoir with a dry mop. Lay the reservoir and cleaning cloth out to dry before reinstalling. If you use the interchangeable main brush option, please clean it once per week. Remove the main brush cover and main brush. Use a dry mop to clean the brush slot. Use the multifunctional tool to remove any hair or other debris. Clean the main brush cover before reinstalling. If you use the interchangeable tangle-free intake option, please clean it once per week. Use a dry mop to clean the brush slot and the tangle-free intake before reinstalling. Please clean the side brushes every 2 weeks. Remove the side brushes and clean them with the multifunctional tool. Use a dry mop to clean the brush slots before reinstalling. A weekly cleaning is suggested for the following components. Remove any hair or debris tangled around the universal wheel. Use a dry mop to clean the anti-drop sensors. Unplug the charging dock before cleaning the charging dock pins and charging contacts. Wipe the bumper with a dry mop.